For the conditioner, you're gonna do the same process. You're gonna place a small amount of conditioner for color treated hair in your hand and evenly and gently work it through the hair in a downwards motion from the mid shaft down to the ends, avoiding the base of the wig. This is very important. Applying the conditioner to the base may cause shedding. Leave conditioner on for 1 to 2 minutes or follow the conditioner instructions. But it's a really good idea to leave it for a little while to make sure it gets nourished. Do not exceed 3 to 5 minutes. This is the perfect time. Okay guys, so then when you do the process with the conditioner, you're gonna rinse it again with cool water. Try to prefer cool water to hot water to keep the fibers of your hair, as I already said, but it's a very important topic, so that's why I'm repeating to make sure you won't forget. And then you can use a towel to dry it. But again, do it in a very smooth way. Remember that you paid money for that and you need to take a good care of it. So you do it in a very smooth way without hurries.